Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, my name is Nevish. Welcome to this video. This is a sign and it says Blacklick Woods Nature Center. Blacklick is kind of like a tongue twister. And this board is painted actually. It's not really rusty like that. It's just painted. So is the railings too. Now we are in nature walk. It's full of nature, of course. There's a map here. So this is the map and we're located right there at the red dot. And we entered nature. There's something it's just piece of lumber. A pole, another pet, log there, a big log there, and a giant log there. This is a turtle that is in its shell. See, no head and no arms. Just its shell. And it's the color yellow and green. Kind of like dark green. It's a turtle. My baby brother's climbing it. Let's climb it too. I'm on the top of the turtle. I'm holding this. This is kind of like a gigantic fire. It also looks like a tent, a banded tent. It's the inside. Kind of looks burned. A chair. That would be the chair. Another chair and maybe a table. And the rest is burned. This would be a stand. It's actually a tree. This tree has a stand. A broken wood. Some broken wood. Some more broken wood. I'm gonna climb this. Let me climb this thing. Oh, this thing's wobbly. Oh, that's just wobbly. I'm gonna go on a trip. There's a box turtle in here. There's a sign here. Box turtle. Maybe those were the turtles there. Let's spot one. Oh, I didn't see one, but too late. Let's go in. Wow. What is in here? A waterfall? Oh, fish. It's a fishy. There's tons of it there. Whoa. There's a chair here, so I can sit. Actually, it's not a chair, it's something that... There's a turtle! Let's look at this fossil. Wood trunk. This is a wood trunk. Grass squirrel. White-tailed deer. Eastern cottontail rabbit. Bobcat. Muskrat. Red fox. Raccoon. I saw a raccoon at my house one day. And I made a drawing of the red fox. But it wasn't. Striped skunk. My baby brother's drawing. That's all. I can spell that. It's something like a dinosaur. Oh, mala, the kind of that. Ano mala? He's drawing it. They used this wood as a pencil. As a pencil box. They used this wood as a pencil box. Puppet show. Some toys. Oh. There's not that many toys there. Some fake wood. See, it's fake. I can squeeze it. Fire!
American Robin.
Fire. A stick. Some lumber and some animals too. Turtle there. And it's a woodland box turtle. And the swimming pool for it there. It's kind of like blue, but it's actually gray. There's a baby turtle. And this one. Yeah. That's a huge house. And that's island. What's up, Toto? There's something like Eastern milk snake. I thought it was a milkshake for a second. That would be funny. A swimming pool, some rocks. Oh, I don't see the milkshake yet. Oh my god. It's a milk snake, not a milkshake. Oh, I don't see it. This is a bird beaks. And it's like the shape and size of a bird's beak can tell us what it eats and how it finds food. Look at these schools of birds found at the Blacklick woods to see what beak performance looks like. There's some beaks. That's the biggest one is this one. The smallest one is that. It's so small. It's smaller than my nail. That's a turkey vulture. That's a red-tailed hawk. Oh, there's a bunch of squirrels here. A bunch of squirrels. Those are some dots. This window's dotted.
Look at this squirrel.
There's a bunch of squirrels. I want to spot a flying squirrel. I don't see any flying squirrel. What's that back there?
The ones with the red and the one with
There's
the red.
nothing in that leg there. Oh, there's something here. Another squirrel. Oh, woodpecker. There's a woodpecker. This I forgot. This is the skin of these animals. This is American beaver. Right there. That's a bobcat. Right there. This is a gray fox. A red fox. Oh, the red fox. Fluffy. That's a weasel there, guys. I'll show you. This is a coyote. Maybe it's something. Did you see the thing, guys? It's a reindeer. It's a reindeer. And there's a duck fly. Maybe it's a goose, actually. A red fox, Fluffy. Oh, least weasel. This is so thin. What is this? Mink? That looks like American bear. Nope, not bear. This is American badger. Another raccoon. Striped skunk. Fox squirrel. Gray squirrel. And the biggest of all, black bear. This is the black bear. It's the biggest one. Whoa. This one looks fluffy. There's a bunch of things up here. These are skins, guys. Let's rest a little. Going back to the entry.